Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Samsung soundbar Bluetooth without remote. Alright, let's begin. First of all, in order to pair your Samsung subwoofer to soundbar, turn off the soundbar by pressing the power button located on it. With a small object like a paper clip, press and hold the ID set button at the back of the subwoofer. While pressing the ID set button, switch on the soundbar. The blue LED light on the subwoofer will stop blinking and become steady, showing that the subwoofer is connected. To connect the soundbar to the audio source, hold down the source button on the soundbar for about 5 seconds until the soundbar displays BT pairing. After that, search for the Samsung soundbar on your Bluetooth device and then select it to connect. Also, check to confirm that all the components are working fine by playing some audio. So that's basically how you can connect Samsung soundbar Bluetooth without remote. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.